Okay, can you see the board? So this is the first question. Find the LCM of 16, 80 and 48. 16, 80 and 48. So the numbers are increasing here. Here. You can
16,
see.
sir.
Okay. Can you see the question properly? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then if it is possible, you can solve this. If you can't, I will explain how to do this one. Okay. So let us see how many of you will do. Okay, let us see.
Sir, it is
I will
shining.
let us
Sir.
see. Yes.
So not seen properly that boards are there in
Shining,
that
sir.
class, sir.
Now it is clear, sir.
Now it
Write
is
fast.
clear.
Then write fast.
Sir, we have to do, sir.
Yes, sir. This already I told, no? This since 3 days I am telling this one. Do it fast. You are taking too much time.
Completed, sir.
Good.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now it is clear. Board is clear now. Can you see?
Sir, completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, now also shining, sir. It is.
Completed, sir.
Okay, do it fast.
Sir, completed, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Good.
Completed,
Now
sir.
just see. Now just see it. So we have to start from 2. Those who are not understood this here, we have to start from the 2. So in 2 table, 16 is there or not, because all the numbers are even numbers. So we can start with 2. 2 8s are 16. Okay. Here 2 4s are 8 and 0. 2 40s are 80. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now next step is 2 4s are 8. 2 20s are 14. 2 12s are 24. Difference? Now, next is 2 2s are 4, 2 10s are 20, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are. Next one, is it possible to divide from the 2 here again? Can we take 2 here again? Can
No,
you take?
sir. No, sir. 5 are.
Right.
5
2
are,
are
sir. 5
there.
are 3, sir. Sir, take 3, sir.
3. Okay.
No, take
Huh?
5, sir.
1, huh? Who
Sir,
is that? Who is
5,
that
sir.
one? So we can't take 1 here. 1 means it is
5,
complete.
take 5, sir.
Now we have to write all these numbers. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 3 into 5. Now we have to multiply. Here you can see 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 5s. You can multiply 48 into 5. So all of you multiply and tell me answer fast. 48 into 5. What
240.
is the 5?
240,
40.
sir.
240. 240. 240, sir. 240, 240, sir.
All of you do mute.
240. 240.
Okay, answer it.
240.
240.
Have you all got 240?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
joined the class now only, sir.
Yes, how much?
Sir, I got correct answer. Now join the class, sir.
What about Tanishka?
I was not able to join. I just joined just now, sir.
Okay, then you leave this one, write next question. Okay, I'll explain that. Tanishka.
Yes, sir.
Now, to
Today
write
there is no
next.
test, sir.
Yes, no. Evening I may take test. Just for that only I am revising now. LCM and HF, if they will give the big numbers, how we can solve this? Okay. So, shall I rub this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you say it properly? So
Yes,
write
sir.
next question. Good. Find the LCM of. Next question is find the LCM of 30, 40 and 60. 30, 40 and 60. The questions which today I am solving, all these questions are appeared questions, means last year, before last year, okay? Previous year question papers. From that I have selected some questions and I am solving here. So do it properly. So again, if you can't do this one, no problem. I will explain that. Okay, do it fast. And don't tell me the answer until I will solve. Okay. If I will ask to you, then only you can tell the answer. Until don't tell me the answer.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Good. Those are completed. Good.
Finish.
Those are not completed.
Completed,
Sir,
sir.
I also completed, sir.
Don't tell me the answer.
Completed,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Don't.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed, Papa.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed. Okay. Now, if you all of you completed, anybody have doubt in this? Who have not completed? Tell me now. Who have not completed?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir. Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
Completed, sir. Out, sir. Out, sir. Completed, sir. Sir.
All of you do mute and listen here. Okay. 10 threes are, 10 fours are, 10 sixes are, we can take. Okay. Actually, we have to start with the 2 and all the numbers are in the same table. If you follow this method, it will save your time. Next one is 2. 3 as it is, 2 to the 4, 2 6. Next one. 3 as it is, 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is. Next is 3 ones are 1 as it is, 3 ones are 3. So now we have to multiply 10 twos are 20, 20 twos are 40, 40 threes are 120.
120.
Okay. Remember 120.
Two
How much
also
is
coming, sir. Correct
120?
answer, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Those who have got, take next question fast. Quickly. Write next
Taken,
question.
sir.
Okay. 120 is the answer.
I got the correct answer only, sir. 30, 40.
Who have not got, they can talk. We have got good. Do next question.
but different
Okay.
method, sir.
All of you put on your video. All of you on your video. All of you fast on your video. Chinchana, Asita, Jagan, all of you put on your video and write down next question quickly so that I can see what you are doing and where you are sitting. I can see. All of you put on. Okay. Now question number 3. Next question. Find the LCM of question number 3. So question number 3 is find the LCM of 114 and 95. Let us see who will do this one quickly. 114 and 95. So here you can observe that level of the difficulty is increasing, means the numbers are big. So try it first. If it is not possible, you can do. Then I will
Sir,
explain. Yes.
before this you give 30, 40, 60, no, sir. That answer is 120, no, sir.
120. Okay. Again, if you have any confusion, Tanishka, what you have did today, again you can watch this. Okay, I will send this video, same video afterwards. Okay. Abhishek, put on your video. Abhishek, Spurti.
Sir, completed, sir.
Okay, good. We have completed. Good. Trisha, what about you?
Sir, completed, sir.
Sir, I also completed, sir.
Good.
Sir, I also completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir. Completed.
Completed, sir.
So the question is 114 and 95. So one number is even number and another one is odd number. So we can start with 2 because both numbers are not in same table. So we can take with 2. We can start with 2.
Sir, 19 table now, sir.
Yes.
19,
19 table, sir.
19
table now, sir. 2 also have, sir. 95. Yes, sir. 19 6 are 114, 19 5 are 95, sir.
All of you do mute. Now, Chetan, what am I tell me? Chetan.
In 19 table also have, sir, 2 numbers, sir.
Table, okay. If you start with the 2, it is better because sometimes if the number is too big, if you can't recognize in which table it is, then you can start with 2. Okay? Because before the sums, before this, I can know directly. So start with 2. Okay? If you know perfectly, some students they don't know 19 table. That time we have to follow this method. Okay? So 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. 95 as it is. Okay. What we can take next? We will tell which number we can take next year. 57 is there and 3. Good. In 3 table both are there. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. And 3 in 3 table 95 is there. In 3 table 95 is there.
No, sir.
Okay.
Oh, sir.
Not there. Take as it is. Okay.
So
Now,
now
Sir,
19
again,
table taking.
19 on the 19, 19 5 are 95, sir.
before going to take 19, it is better to take 5 here. If you take 5, 19 as it is, and here in 5 table 95 is there. So 5 was done, 5, okay, and remaining 45, 5 nines are. Now it is easy because 19, 19. So you can take up 19. 19 ones are 19 ones are. Okay. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 30 19s are. What is the answer? 30 into 19. What is the answer?
570. 170, sir. 570, sir.
570.
570, sir.
270 is the answer. LCM. Okay. LCM is 570 of this question. Write fast. We are not done. Write fast. And those who already did, it's good. Okay. Now, all of you on your video, I told Chetan, Shivani,
Sir, I ordered
Rahul.
video, sir.
Now it's on now. Harshita, Manjunath, Shreya, Bhagya, on your video, Rahul. Rahul, on your video. Okay. Then take one more sum regarding this only. The LCM only. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Let us see next. Let us see who will do first this one. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. Find the LCM of.
Sir, number tell, sir.
Take
Number 6.
12, 24, and 48. 12, 24, and 48. So this is the number. Do it quickly.
Completed, sir.
Good. Rahul, do me video on. Rahul.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Finished, sir.
Finished, sir. Completed, sir. Completed. Completed, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Good. Now if it is completed, let us see.
Completed, sir.
Samarth
Completed, sir.
Samarth joined or not? Samarth. Samarth joined. Okay. Guru, tell me the answer. Guru.
48. 48.
48. Okay. Kanishka, how much you got?
48, sir.
48.
Shall I tell
Okay.
you? Shall I tell answer, sir? Shall I tell answer, sir? 48, sir.
What, other than 48, you can tell me the answer. If you have the same answer, no, not need to tell now. Okay? And here, I will solve this one. 12, 24, and 48. Actually, the rule is we have to start with 2. The rule is we have to start with the 2 only. But all the numbers are in same table means you can start with 12 at all. Okay? 12 ones are, 12 twos are, 12 fours are.
12 fours are. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 2 ones are.
2 twos are. Here 2. One has it is.
Sir, I started from 2, sir.
Here
I started from 2 tables, sir.
What I told, you have to start with 2 only. That also I will explain. But if all the numbers are in same table, if you take time, it will save your time. Okay? Here, 22 are 24, 24 2 are 48. Okay. What happens? Then also you will get 48 only. So here, 12, 24 and 48. So 2 6 are, 2 12 are, 2 24 are. You can observe this one. Now, 2 3 are, 2 12 are. 2 3 as it is, 2 3 are, 2 6 are. Now, 2 3 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 3 are 6. Next to 3 1 are, 1 are, 1 are. 4, what is 8? 8 2 are 16, 16 3 are 48. So actually this is the way how to do. Understood? Shivani, you did this one, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If all
Sir,
the
I
numbers
also
are
did that like only, sir.
actually this is the way, this is the rule. Okay? To make you easy, to save your time, you can do this one.
Okay, sir.
Only if all these 3 numbers are in same table, then only you can start with this. Otherwise, this method is the suitable. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, my cat is low, sir. Shall I leave, sir?
Who is that?
Abu Sufyan, sir.
Can put on charging and listen. Okay? Do one more question. Same LCM only. Do one more question quickly. Question number 5.
Sir, give the number, sir.
2, 3, 8 and 10. Wait. 2, 2, 3, 8 and 10. This is the question. So do it fast. Let us say who will finish this one first. Sampath is joined. Sampath. Varun joined. Varun.
Finish, sir.
Yes, sir.
Varun joined.
Finished, sir. Yes, sir.
Varun called.
Yes, sir.
Finish, sir. Finish, sir.
Trisha, what about
Finish, sir.
you? Number 5.
Completed, sir.
Good. Good.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Vaishnavi not joined. Vaishnavi Bradley.
Completed, sir.
Kanishka completed.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir. Completed,
Shall I
sir.
tell the answer, sir?
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Kanishka, what happened?
Shall I tell the answer, sir?
Yes, tell me, Kanishka.
120,
How much?
sir.
20.
Yes, sir.
120. Okay, let us see.
Sir,
I will also-
mine also 120, sir. I
Sir,
also
shall I tell
120, sir. 120, sir.
I also, sir. Mine also 120, sir. Shall I tell answer, sir?
20, sir.
Okay. We have got 120 is the right answer, Tanishka. And others, all who have got
Yes, sir.
120 is the right answer. Okay. Now, all of you got 120 means not need to do. I will give next question. I will not solve this one. Okay. I'll give one more question.
Yes, sir.
You got 120, it's very good. Now, one more question. Okay. So let's see one more question.
Ajja. Ajja. Sir, give the number, sir.
Yes, sir. ಅದು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನು ಬೈದಿ
2, 3, 9, 6. Wait. Start with 2. Okay. Start with 2. Always you have to start with 2. Okay, solve it fast. Sir, if the number is too much big, you can do in rough also. In rough, you have to divide. Here, 2, 21, 35.
Completed, sir.
Next, you continue.
Completed.
I have did one step here. Okay, good. We have completed. Good. Don't tell the answer. So next number, all numbers are not odd numbers. Okay, all numbers are odd numbers, so we can take 3 here. 3 7s are. Okay, in 3 table there is no 35. Keep as it is. 3 1s are 3. In 3 table it is not there. 3 2s are 1s are.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Next again you can take 3 only. 7 as it is. 35 as it is. 49 as it is. 3 7s are 21. Now we can take 7. 7 the 7. 7 5s are 35. 35. 7s are 7 1s are. Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now 7 5 as it is. As it is. And 5 1s are 5. Now we have to multiply all this. After multiplying, how much you will get answer? Let us see. No, don't tell the answer.
Sir, full show, sir.
Guru, do mute. Nisha, tell me answer. Nisha. Nisha. Nisha, tell me the answer.
Sir, 1 minute,
Sir,
sir.
I will tell, sir.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Doing. Fazal, tell me the
Sir, I will
answer.
tell, sir. Sir, I will tell, sir.
4,410, sir. 4,410, sir.
4,410.
sir.
Right answer. Okay. It is the right
I don't
answer. What you did. Which one? I also did here.
Sir,
Shivani.
yes, sir.
You have to take numbers are big. You have to do it carefully. Means you have to divide. If you don't know, you can divide in rough. Okay. Because here I have taken in two table 42. It is there, but to almost the 42 again, that time you can divide 42 divided by 2. And what? And you can keep here. Okay? Shivani.
Yes, sir.
Nisha, Nisha, have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now shall I write this? Now do some exceptions. Do some exceptions. Then only I will. Okay. What I have written on the board is it completed? Shivani, do mute.
Yes, sir.
Is it completed? Yes, on your camera.
Yes, sir.
On your camera.
Completed, sir.
Sir, mine wrong.
Sir, mine also completed, sir.
Okay, on
Answer at one the इधर है sir.
all of you do mute. Okay, take next question. Find the HCF of.
Sir, mine wrong, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I done like this, sir. Wrong came, sir. Answer is.
Anytime you try afterwards and multiply properly. Okay. Now find the HCF of. Find the HCF of 5, 15 and 25. Do it fast.
Divide, sir.
Any method you can do, any method. I have told you three methods.
Completed, sir.
Method is easy to you, that method you can follow.
Completed.
Which method is
Completed, sir.
to you? But one thing we have to remember here, if the numbers are too big, that time division method we have to follow. So here the numbers are small, you can follow any method. Okay? I will do this division method only. But we have to write all these.
Sir.
So greatest number to take and we have to divide with 15 ones are 15. So we have not did, listen here. 5 1 0, 2 1 1. So continue here with the next number. Divisor we have to bring. Now 10 ones are 10. So 5. Again bring this divisor down. 5 2s are 10. Okay. Again this also 5 by 5. 5 ones are 5. So when the remainder is 0, that time the divisor is said to be HCF of that number. Okay. So here this is the divisor 5. So what is the HCF? HCF is equals to 5. Like this we have to do. Yes.
In the last, we must take last number, sir.
Yes. Here, if we got the remainder 0, here also we can stop. we can decide this is the answer. See here. So divisor is 5. So I got 5. This step I have did because in sometimes if the number is not divisible completely, that time we should not confuse, no? Reason I have taken last and I have. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If the remainder is 0, here only we can stop because we got here remainder 0. Here we got here 0 remainder. That time which is the divisor here 5. So 5 is the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
There also we can.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any doubts regarding this one? So answer is 5.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt.
No doubt. Then
No doubt.
one more question. One more question. After that you can practice. In the evening I will take test. Okay. So this is
Yes,
just
sir.
practicing now. One question I will do.
Sir, what is the
I
timing?
You know,
That 3 numbers, sir. That means we can take 5 and the 5 also, sir.
what happened?
When 3 numbers are there, last
What
we
is
can
the timing?
5 also, sir.
Yes, you can take. Last number you can take and you can divide with 5. Okay? It is depend upon the number.
Sir?
Now one more
Sir,
different
what
type.
is
should
the
know,
what
okay?
is evening test? What is timing, sir?
First do this one. After completion of the class, I will tell the timing. Okay? In between, don't think about that.
Bye,
Right
sir.
question. Right question. Concentrate on HCF. Don't think when is the test, when is the time. Okay? So write next question. So 15, 30 and 45. So next question is HCF 15, 30 and 45. Do it fast. And don't tell me the answer.
Completed, sir.
Good.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Prajwal, Varun. Prajwal complete. Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Good. Trisha, what about you? Completed?
Doing, sir. Doing, sir. Finish, sir.
Who is this Chaitra? Who is Chaitra?
Okay. Manjula, sir.
Chaitra Parit.
Sir, I tell the answer, sir.
Varsha?
Completed, sir.
Varsha?
Tell the answer, sir.
Okay. Tell me, Varsha, tell the answer.
15 is the right answer, sir.
Okay. Let us see. Divided by 30. 31 is 30. 15. Here we will take next number. 15 to the 30. So if the remainder is 0, Kanishka, you asked this question, no? Again, you have to do or not. If the remainder is 0, here only you can stop.
Yes, sir.
Here only 15 as the answer. Again, you can do one more method, 15 was the 15 also. Okay, and after getting the answer, you can check your answer is correct or not. You can verify how means Here, you get answer 15 here. In 15 table, all the 3 numbers are there or not, we have to check in 15 table. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Like this, you can do LCM and HCF. Is it clear to all?
Yes.